We walked on this earth side by side with the trees, lost in the chaos, disconnects on the breeze. Once stewards of nature, now we drift far away. But deep in our hearts, we know there's a way. Reclaiming our role, it's time to arise. With hands in the soil, let's open our eyes. We are the healers, the keepers, the light. We're killing the bomb, making wrongs into right. So let's reconnect, let's walk hand in hand, embracing the earth, our hearts understand. Think of dominion, not as a chain, but guardians we are. It's time to explain. To cultivate life, to nurture the land. Together we rise, united we stand. Nature's our mother, let's not ignore. With every seed, so we can heal once more. We are the healers.